I wish to express my profound gratitude to Dr. A.N.M. Ihsanul Milan, the Honorable Education Minister of Bangladesh, for graciously joining us as the chief guest. Your presence reflects the importance that Government of Bangladesh, led by His Excellency Prime Minister Tariq Rahman, attaches to the educational cooperation and youth empowerment. I also extend my sincere appreciation to the officials of the University Grants Commission Bangladesh, distinguished Vice Chancellors, officials of Higher Education Commission Pakistan, and representatives of the Universities of Pakistan, scholars, faculty members, media representatives, and students for being part of this important occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, as you are aware, Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister of Pakistan, Senator Muhammad Ishaq Dar, undertook a historic visit to Bangladesh in 2025. During the visit, he announced 500 scholarships for students from Bangladesh to pursue higher education in Pakistan across a wide range of disciplines. Today's event marks the continuation of that promise as we launch the second phase of this initiative, under which leading Pakistani universities have gathered here in Dhaka to familiarize interested students with Pakistan's educational landscape and the scholarship opportunities available for higher education. This initiative is fully aligned with the shared vision of our Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif and Bangladesh Prime Minister Mr. Tariq Rahman on education and youth development. It is also aimed at strengthening educational collaboration between Pakistan and Bangladesh, as shared knowledge is a pathway to shared prosperity. Distinguished guests, Pakistan and Bangladesh share a unique bond which is deeply rooted in history, common faith, cultural affinities, and familial ties. There is a significant progress across various streams of bilateral cooperation in the recent past. Bilateral trade has grown from more than 20%, and cultural and people-to-people contacts are flourishing. The Knowledge Corridor is a concrete step towards realizing that potential, providing a platform for academic mobility, joint research, and lifelong connections between people of both the countries. It is heartening to note that first phase of 74 talented students from Bangladesh have already commenced their academic journey in prominent universities of Pakistan. These students are pursuing higher studies in diverse fields, including engineering, information technology, artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, medicine, social sciences, management sciences, and emerging technologies. Their positive experiences and academic progress are encouraging sign of a growing educational partnership between Pakistan and Bangladesh. The scholarships cover the full tuition fee, hostel charges, monthly stipend, one-time settlement allowance, and return air ticket for the successful students. This initiative enables students from Bangladesh to study free of cost at leading Pakistani public and private educational institutions. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan has a long tradition of excellence in fields like medicine, engineering, information technology, agriculture, social sciences, and humanities. Now we are also advancing in the field of artificial intelligence, data sciences, aviation, and futuristic skills. By opening our doors to students from Bangladesh, we are not only sharing knowledge, but also strengthening the bonds of trust and collaboration between our peoples. In turn, the perspectives and talent of Bangladeshi students enrich the academic environment and inspire innovation across disciplines. Over the period of next 10 days, Higher Education Commission of Pakistan and participating universities will organize education expos in Barishal, Rajshahi, Rangpur, Sylhet, and Chittagong in university premises. I encourage students to visit the expos in these cities, avail scholarship opportunities, and explore the rich academic and cultural experiences that Pakistan has to offer. I also invite universities and higher education institutions of Bangladesh to deepen institutional linkages through MOUs, joint degree programs, research collaborations, conferences, and faculty interaction with Pakistani institutions. I am glad to mention here that a delegation of Pakistan academia will visit Pakistan very soon. I hope this visit will foster stronger partnerships between our educational institutions. Before I conclude, I once again thank the Honorable Education Minister, participating universities, academia, media, and all stakeholders for their support and cooperation in making this initiative a success. I wish all aspiring students the very best for their academic journeys and future endeavors. Thank you very much.